Hey foodies, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of irresistible desserts with a classic favorite, moist carrot cake. If you've been craving a slice of heaven, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we walk you through the steps to create the perfect, moist carrot cake that will have everyone asking for seconds. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Now let's get baking. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 cup vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 cups finely grated carrots, 1 cup crushed pineapple, drained, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, optional. Cream cheese frosting. We'll get to that later. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. And grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. Combine dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger until well combined. Mix wet ingredients. In another bowl, whisk together the oil, eggs, and vanilla extract until smooth. Combine wet and dry mixtures. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. We want a tender cake. Fold in carrots, pineapple, and nuts. Gently fold in the grated carrots, crushed pineapple, and chopped walnuts, if using. This is where the magic happens. The carrots and pineapple. Add that incredible moisture. Divide batter and bake. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans and smooth the tops. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool and frost. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for 10 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While they're cooling, let's whip up a decadent cream cheese frosting. Cream cheese frosting. In a separate bowl, beat together 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth and creamy. Frost the cake. Once the cakes are completely cooled, generously spread the cream cheese frosting between the layers and over the top and sides of the cake. Feel free to get creative with your frosting design. And there you have it, the perfect moist carrot cake that will have your taste buds dancing. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow baking enthusiasts. Leave a comment down below with your favorite twist on carrot cake. And as always, happy baking. Until next time.